Hello students, welcome to RH Chemistry. In today's video, I am going to give you All India Quota second round analysis, complete analysis I am going to produce on the screen. You can go through so that for our curiosity also and for our knowledge also, we can go through this and we'll hope for the best. The number of seats which will come back to the Karnataka 85% state quota, and like those seats will help the students, those who have waiting for the this admission into the MBBS and BDS courses. So in this particular case, first I will show you All India Quota round 1 reported. So which means whatever the number of students those who have reported for the All India round 1, so then what they have done is that did not fill up the new choices. They have reported after All India round 1, they have reported to All India round 2 counseling, did not fill up new choices. They have not filled any new choices, that is 419 in the MBBS and 52 in BDS. Did not opt for upgradation. So upgradation means they have taken the admission and they have not opt for this upgradation, that is 4401 and 1063 in BDS. No upgradation. So they have, some students have opt for upgradation, but there is no upgradation has taken place. So that is 2661 students and 200 in BDS retained. So they have opt for upgradation and they have retained that particular seats only, which means there is no upgradation. The difference between this no upgradation and the retained is that in this particular case there is no upgradation take place. They have opted for upgradation, right? Did not opt for upgradation is this one. They have opted for upgradation but no upgradation has taken place. But some students are there, they have retained their seats, which means they have not went for any upgradation. Upgraded how many? 1359 students and 36 under BDS, and total the number is like this. Then if you see All India Quota round 1 not reported students, there were almost 7,000 odd. If you see that, if you add these two, so 7,200 odd, I will show you that. So those many students, remember, are not reported after round 1. Then what they have done, they have put the choices. Fresh allotted in the second round is 2365 students. All India Quota round 1 allotted students, but they have not reported. Fresh allotted in second round 2365 students and 190 under BDS. Did not fill up new choices. They have not filled any new choices. Then 1846 students are there and 295 under BDS, and not allotted with any of the colleges, remember. So 2056 and 420 here. This is important for us, which not reported but not allotted, right? So All India Quota not reported means they are not, whatever the seats allotted after round 1, they have not reported to the college, they have not taken the admission. In that, once again not allotted the seat to the 2056 students, and total is 6267 and 905. You can add these two. Now All India round 1 seat surrendered. Those who are surrendered the seat under All India round 1, then for those students, remember, fresh allotted in the second round 177, did not fill up the new choices, that is 45 students, not allotted 94 students. Once again this will be added to our state quota, which means not only ours, all India state quota. So total 316 students are there, and here is 13. Then All India Quota round 1 seats cancelled. So total 16 seats were cancelled. Out of that, remember, fresh allotted in the second round is 8 seats. Did not fill up new choices, that is 7 seats, which means the same seats they have allotted. Not allotted, that is 1 seat under MBBS. So BDS nothing is given means nothing. So 16. Then this is very, very important. You can see total vacancies are 10,537. I have told you this. Include vacancies due to non-joining 7172. This if you add, you are going to get 7172. These two if you add, you are going to get 7172 only. Which means not reported students. Among that, once again not allotted is these many. and those many students will come here, remember, here and plus here. So very very important thing is total vacancies are 10,537. Out of that, remember, 5847 seats allotted freshly. So these many total vacancies are there. These many seats are left and these many seats are allotted. Right? So seats allocated freshly in the second round is MBBS, BDS and total these many. Difference between these two, which means these were there and these were allotted, and difference between these is 4697 seats which are not allotted at the end of second round. Remember, at the end of second round, which means out of these 4697 seats are left unallotted. Definitely one thing is that maximum seats are, remember, maximum seats are 15% state quota. Some seats are deemed university seats. Deemed university seats. So out of this 15% state quota, all states included, remember, all states included. Among that, ours is one state, that is Karnataka. Right, Karnataka. Which means in this particular case, see, now my analysis is that these unallotted seats which are left vacant at the end of the second round of All India quota, that is MCC counseling, definitely that will be added to second round of KEA counseling. Last year, as I heard, that it was added to mop-up round, but this year definitely we can analyze, because already the first round analysis, first round KEA first round, it is postponed. Engineering also postponed. According to my analysis, now they will do engineering. After that, second round of KEA they are going to conduct. Before that, remember, all these seats will come back to the state quota. So this is including all the states of India, and among that some Karnataka seats, it may be 100, 200, any number it may be, that will comes to second round of KEA definitely. Right? So now the advantage for us is that out of this, remember, some X number of seats will come to the state quota, and out of these allocated seats, remember, out of these allocated seats, some Y number of seats also comes to the state quota. Because why, I will tell you. Maybe 4846 and 994 student seats are allocated freshly in the second round. But remember one thing, in this also some students will leave that particular state quota and they will leave this MCC and they will take the seat under state quota. But already they have filled the choices, hence they have allotted here. So they will not take admission under MCC. Those seats will come back to the state quota as Y number. Only thing we hope is that, I hope is that, this, if this number is large, maybe we hope, ನಾವು ಅಂದ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣಂತ ಇದು ಲಾರ್ಜ್ ಆಗಲಿ, ದೊಡ್ಡದಾಗಲಿ ಅಂಥೇಳಿ, ಲಾರ್ಜ್ ನಂಬರ್, ಹೋಪಿಂಗ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್. If this is a large number, then definitely it will help our students, 85% state quota students under Karnataka. So I think this analysis you have satisfied with, right? So like this, what I am going to do is, definitely after round 1, remember, after round 1 Karnataka KEA, they will release how many students they have taken the admission, in the colleges, which means choice 1 students. How many choice 1 students are there? If along with this, if the KEA will give how many choice 2 students are there, how many choice 3 students are there, then definitely we will analyze like this the whole data, and we will come to the conclusion is that how many seats are really vacant for the second round students. So that in second round, some students they have not allotted seat in the first round, some students have opted upgradation for the after first round, some students have cancelled the allotted seat in the first round. All those students, they could have get the seat under KEA. ಅದು ಹಾಗೆ ಆಗಲಿ, ನಿಮಗೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಸೀಟ್ ಸಿಗಲಿ, ನೀವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಕೂಡ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹೆಸರ ಹಿಂದುಗಡೆ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನು ಸೇರಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ಜನಸೇವೆಯನ್ನು ಮಾಡಲಿ, ಸಮಾಜದಲ್ಲಿ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ಹೆಸರನ್ನು ಗಳಿಸಲಿ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇವತ್ತಿನ ವಿಡಿಯೋವನ್ನು ಮುಗಿಸೋಣಂತೆ. ಸೊ ನಿಮಗೆ ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಏನಾದರೂ ಲೈಕ್ ಆಯಿತು ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್, ಶೇರ್ ಇಟ್ ಟು ಯುವರ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಫಾರ್ ವಾಚಿಂಗ್. ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಅ ನೈಸ್ ಡೇ.